Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you welcome back to my space, my G's. You know, we're still going to be diving along with the TABOLA BALE, but this time around, it was being performed at an Independence Day. G's, this is something else. Fly with me, let's go see what we're talking about. Let's not waste no time, let's go. No, bro. What has this song done to Indonesia? Guys, are you guys telling me that these military men over here, they're about to dance? Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, bro. I don't want to say this. Don't tell me that. No! No way, guys. Come on. Bro, guys, I don't want to believe this one. You know, I saw this video on my comment section, jeez, and I was like, how is it possible to perform a song, you know, a mainstream song on an Independence Day? How is it possible? And guys, you telling me that those G's are about to like give the steps, do the dancing cover? Like, no, I don't want to believe. Bro, wait. I think this guy, yeah, it might be the president though. I don't know. It might be some kind of an ambassador or the president. But you can see the way he's smiling, the way he's shaking his head. You can tell that maybe this guy too, he knows the steps. You know, he know how to. I don't know, bro, but he's smiling. So. No. No, let me not lie. The song is a vibe. The song is a vibe. Hey. I mean, wait, was this the lady that was in the video? You know, because she's some kind of dressed differently, so I can't recognize her so well. Maybe she might be the one. Bro, this is crazy. You blessed, my children, you're blessed. No, bro, like how was this done? That's right. Wait, don't tell me that these G's over here, they were giving time to learn this one, like to like practice, you know, because it's some kind of hard though. I know the steps are not too difficult, but they needed some practice to do this one. What the hell, bro? No, bro, this is amazing. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, I understand. You know, this one was not the main dancing cover that they did to the song. They were just like doing their vibe, you know, differently. But it's definitely cool. This is already gorgeous, my G's. Like, man, these are not kids, you know, they're some kind of matured people, but they just vibe to the song. Damn, the song is a banger already, but it's too much. Mama. Check it, check it, check it, check it. Whatever, check it, check it, check it, check it. Bro, I swear to God, there might be a lot of people over there that knows how to dance, to this one really, really the way it's supposed to be. Everyone over there must be vibing, bro. This song is crazy. Bro, I just love it when I see people smiling, people dancing, just like having fun. And with this music going along with it, it's just too beautiful. I swear to God. I don't know these guys too much, but I think maybe this one here might be the best hits that they've ever done. I don't know, maybe there might be some others that I haven't seen yet, but this one, bro, it has gone like too far. All over the places in Indonesia, bro. Like, we just need to take this one worldwide, my G's. I heard it was even at the top, I don't know, top 13 worldwide song, something like that. It's a banger. Bro, I'm so much proud of those G's that did this one, bro. I'm so proud of them. Let's go. You blessed. Bro, I swear to God, I'm proud of these G's that did the song. I don't know why they're not complete. Like, they're only two over here. They're supposed to. We are the two others, bro. Like, the young, bro. The song was dope. No bling bling. No flashy stuffs. No cars, flashy cars, locks. Bro, it was all simple, well and done. And you can see the song even got to the national. Damn. This is crazy. Bro, I think that might be the president though. That might be the president of Indonesia. Bro. Everywhere is like, damn. Wait, guys, don't tell me that the president is about to get down. Don't tell me that the president is about to get down. I don't want to believe that. Damn, no way. Let me go see for myself. Okay, I don't think so. Bro, I would have been surprised. Like, how many choreography did they have going on in this one, bro? I thought it was going to be over. Bro, damn, wait. Okay, now it's for the young ones to come vibe. I think this one might be the biggest hit in Indonesia. Like this one, yeah, I don't think there's something comparable to this one. You guys have something, you just let me see. But this one, bro, from the first moment I reviewed the song, it came through me, like automatically. Sometimes music doesn't need much. This one was a vibe. It was a banger. I don't know if you guys have something better than this one, but this year, it will be very, very difficult to do better than this. Hey. Yeah, I think this guy might be the president though. He might be. This was beautiful. Bro, this was beautiful. Just imagine with this song here, this one was done. How vibing it was with this song here. Bro, and they had only this one song going on, being repeated and being repeated. Just imagine which song would have replaced this one if this song was not out. Like which song would have been more suitable for an event like this if TABOLA BALE wasn't out. You know, you just gotta understand the importance of that song. It was a dope. Like my G's, like how they dressed? Is it the way the prince and the princess are supposed to be dressed? Is that how they dress right now? Because the dress and the way she's dressed is cute though, and I love this kind of guys dressing. He's having that cowboy cap and some kind of a traditional stuff. Boy, he's matured, you know, it's very very cute. Is this the prince and the princess? Like, is this the way they're supposed to be dressed, prince and the princess? Just kind of know, you know. That's amazing. Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy. Bro, very soon, bro. You know what? I want to challenge myself. I want to challenge myself for real. Like, I want to give myself like 2-3 days just to learn this dance and like do my own challenge and post it on social media, bro. Like, for real. I want to challenge myself. I want to learn this one because it's a vibe song, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's not that difficult, man. I can. Yeah, I know every word I'm saying are some kind of, stank. But my G's, I'm just trying though. When I love something, bro, I just like want to vibe along with it. Even though I don't know the words, but I don't. Who cares though? Everybody's vibing. Even the bodyguards who are supposed to be protective, they're even vibing to this one. Oh no. Bro, this is just beautiful, man. Let's go. Bro, this is awesome. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bro, this was a vibe. Now I understand much more better why this song is a national song. Bro, this song has gone all over the places. Like yesterday when I saw the dancing performances cover that was attached to this one, I was like, damn, you guys dancing to this one in the television, bro, at school, at playing ground, at the beach, whatever places, bro. Like, damn, this song is really dope. Now I understand more better. You know what? I'm going to check this gist just to see what kind of songs they have had going on. You know, I want to see more about this gist for real. Well, thanks to you all, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate your love. Is your boy, Easy Boy. Please, if it's your first time coming across this channel, just kindly like, comment any song you want me to go see, and please follow. Let us grow. You know how we do. Thanks, my G's and B's. Hope to see you on my next episode. Peace out, my boys and girls. Peace out.